Assignment T2, Class 6, Subject Science, Geography. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First part, dash dash is an unbroken flat or a low level land. Second part, dash dash areas are rich in mineral deposits. Third, the dash dash is a line of mountains. Fourth, dash dash for gold and diamond mining is famous. Question number 2, tick mark the right statement. First part, garbins are lowered blocks. Second part, the Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau of India. Third part, mountains are a rich source of fresh water. Fourth part, forests are uplifted blocks. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. First part, describe erosion. Second, what do you mean by glaciers? Third part, describe a hill. Fourth part, define deposition. Fifth part, how many types of mountains are there? This is तुहंद खतर homework. यह करू कंप्लीट तो पत सोजो यमी LMS के जरिए यथ मज असाइनमेंट आसान तथ मज करू सो ओपन तो पत भरियो तो अथ मज तो अति सोजो पत तो वो क्या दलील लेचम तुह कोता याद रोदमुत या तुह कोता वुचमत सन यूट्यूबस पे लेक्चर या सोन यह परनाउन करन यह कुन डंज लगान कि ना तुम अमुक फ़ायदे तुलान कि ना बाकी शुक्रिया।